This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Whitney Gillaspie. Come see this great little home in a quiet neighborhood. This 3-2-2 is such a cute home, with a lovely spacious kitchen, nice black appliances, ceramic tile backsplash, and opens to dining and family room. Large backyard that is completely fenced. This one won't last long. Make an appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact Whitney Gillaspie at 817-888-5785.